The set of principles allows journalists to understand what is acceptable to their community within a general category. Now, each individual instance in which you employ fair use is, of course, distinct and will never repeat itself in exactly the same way again. But these individual situations occur within more common categories of activities. We identified 6 very common kinds of activities that each of these individual choices that you will make fall within. And journalists identified their reasoning for why fair use applied and also what the limits of fair use in those situations were. Therefore, in each individual case, however distinctive it is, you're able to refer to the reasoning applicable to that category. And of course, there may occur fair use situations that occur beyond those 6 categories as well.